Remote sensor monitoring. Monitor the temperature and humidity levels in trailers to keep an eye on cold chain transportation, 24/7. Remote temperature and humidity monitoring is a necessity for businesses that transport delicate goods over long distances. We provide complete systems compatible with all vehicles, allowing you to track the location of vehicles and monitor temperature levels in real time. Reefer monitoring. GPS Live software allows the managers to set up alerts to receive instant notifications if the temperature drops below a certain level, allowing you to minimize wasted valuable goods due to transportation and refrigeration errors. Take action immediately with the use of the latest GPS tracking and sensor technology to monitor reefer and optimize fleet performance. Low temperature and humidity alarms. Low temperature tracehold, adjustable low temperature threshold to get notified instantly if the temperature drops below a certain level. Instant notifications. Get notified instantly via SMS, email, or smartphone notifications in case of an emergency. Humidity monitoring. Measure humidity levels in real time and view historical data to analyze your fleet's performance. Ensure food safety. Food and beverage delivery services, pharmaceutical companies, or businesses that require constant monitoring of temperature and humidity can benefit from our systems to prevent product deterioration. Monitoring the condition of valuable cold food and beverage assets will give fleet managers great pieces of mind and eliminate wasted goods. Location and sensor tracking. View the location of your fleet in real time, 24/7. Record a log of historical heat and humidity data. Prevent refrigerator failures with real-time alerts. Ensure food quality during transportation of goods. Quick, wireless installation, no IT integration required.